Hi everyone. Today on my workbench I have Fred's Breckwell brand pellet stove controller. Fred sent me this one because he was having a lot of control issues with it. So I did some troubleshooting work on it, and I believe I've now resolved all the issues. So it's time to go through the final test procedure on it. So to start with, I'll go ahead and turn it on. My pellet tester is already on. I've got the power over here. Power's on over here. I'll go ahead and turn it on, and when I do, I expect two lights to come on. I expect the combustion fan, the light that's indicated in blue here with the combustion fan, and the light that's indicated in red, the convection fan, to come on. The convection fan would not normally come on your home, but because I don't have a thermal switch on my tester, it will come on automatically. So let's go ahead and turn that on. So there it is. You can see that the convection fan is on and the combustion fan is on. So a couple tests that I can do right now is I can switch to the high fan by pressing the lower button here on the control panel, and we'll see the intensity of this go to max. So you can see that happen, max. And it's at max because the rotary switch is at in the low position. I can rotate the rotary switch through the positions, B. As I do that, you can see the intensity of the light go up. B, C, D. E and F will not change the intensity of the light, by the way. E and F, so you see they don't change it. That's like that because that's the way that some Breckwell pellet stove controllers are wired on the circuit board, and that's the way this one is. So I've got it back to low. The other thing I can test right now is the manual feed. So there's a momentary switch down here. If I press on that, the auger button, the auger light will come on. And there you can see that happening. The auger light does come on. So that means that the auger would drive pellets. So that means that all the manual functions are working. So I'll go ahead now and switch it over to automatic. I'm in low mode right now. And when I press the button, what should happen is the green light up here will come on. And that green light will stay on. Time will elapse, and after about 30 seconds we should see a green light behind the faceplate here come on, and at the very same time we'll see the auger motor light come on. So let's go ahead and press that. So there it is. We've got the green light on. It's nice and bright, and we'll just wait about 30 seconds for that to happen. So like I said, I'm in the low speed right now, so it'll take long for the light to come on, and then when it is on, it won't be on for very long. And again, reminder that this light just back here behind the faceplate will come on at the same time that the auger motor will drive. So let's wait for that to happen. So we can see there, we saw the light come on, and we saw this motor drive signal come on. So let's wait for another cycle of that, and then what we'll do is we'll go through the intensity settings and see that the auger motor stays on longer. So there we saw it again. The pellet drive light did come on. So that's the controller sending a voltage out to the solid state relay, and a solid state relay providing power to the auger motor. There it is. So that was the third cycle. I'll go ahead and switch it to max now, and we see that the light over here is going brighter, and I'm at maximum right there. And as we wait, we'll see that the auger motor light will be on longer. Notice how it's on much longer now? Longer, and it'll be a shorter period between the on time. So it'll come on relatively quickly here. Instead of waiting 30-some seconds or so, it comes on. So there it is, on longer, off for a shorter period of time. On longer, off for a shorter period of time. So Fred, by the looks of it, this controller is now fully functional. I am going to package it up and return it to you. I want to thank you very much for sending me this controller for repairs. I appreciate that very much. And if any of you other Breckwell brand pellet stove owners have questions or would like to have your pellet controller serviced by me, feel free to contact me at the number in the comments for this video. Again, I'm shutting it down. Thank you so much, everyone. Bye-bye.